Hello and welcome to the Cooking with Maria show. This is a little bit of a bonus episode letting you guys in on what's going on in the kitchen this week. We are entertaining in a Facebook group right now, so check the show notes to see how you can find more of us. Hi, I'm Maria. That's Wilma, my mom. We're having so much fun cooking for you guys. Today, we're making a dessert. We are testing some recipes and Riley's helping. You'll see in a moment. This is a gluten-free cake. This was baked in a 9-inch cake pan around. We are going to cut it in half the long way today. I'm going to gently transfer it to this cutting board. I'm going to take my cake cutting device here. This cutting board won't work. You know what? I just cleared off the counter really well. I'm going to put this straight onto the countertop here. Look at that. See the cake there? I'm going to cut it. These pins go straight on the surface that you're on. Now, see where this wire is touching the cake? See that? That is too close to the top. So, I'm going to use these little nub things. I'm going to lower the wire. I'm going to move it as far down on this device as possible. There we go. That looks better. Watch this. I'm going to gently go back and forth, back and forth. This wire is going through back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. It's going through the entire cake evenly. See the nubs on the side? They're on the countertop, gently sawing back and forth. See this? It's amazing. I love this device. Now, when we split it in half like this, it's going to be very delicate. So we have to be careful when we pick it up. There we go. We made it all the way through the cake, okay? Riley's going to be able to put that mixture into the center here before he goes ahead and frost the whole thing. I'm going to transfer this to my beautiful crystal tray here again. See that? Now, you can't even tell, but it is split down the middle. I'm going to gently lift it for you guys and show you what I'm talking about. Look at this. Look at that. Perfectly split. A top and a bottom. The filling is going to go in there, and then the frosting is going to go on top. And it's going to be beautiful. Now, we can do this with 2 9-inch rounds, and we can make it a 4-layer cake. That's right. So much fun with different fillings. Today, we're going to be doing a cherry filling. Let's see how Riley's doing on the prep for that. Shall we? Let's see how our teen is doing in the kitchen here. Riley, what are you making?
Cherry cream thing.
So you're gonna peel the cherries themselves? How are you gonna do that?
I'm gonna peel them?
I mean, take the pit out?
Yep.
You're gonna take the pit out of the cherries?
Yep. I'm gonna destem them first. Is that the idea?
Oh, what are you doing there? Destemming them first? It's a process. Perhaps we need a little cherry pit mechanism that might be available on Pampered Chef. I'll have to go see. This is Riley taking out the pits of the cherries. It's gonna be so exciting. What are we gonna make with this? He's gonna take out the pits from all of these cherries right here. Check it out, everybody. And then what are you gonna do with the cherries?
I'm gonna dice them and mix them with frosting.
Yum! The frosting has cream cheese and powdered sugar.
Yep. And salt and Kahlua, but yeah.
Kahlua? Ooh, I didn't know about the Kahlua. What a genius my son is. Here we go. He's going. He's cutting it in half. Here.
Twist.
Twist. Wow.
Get it off the pit.
And then take the pit out. Riley, you're amazing. You totally got it down. Cut it in half. Twist. Wow, you're so fast. I can't even catch you. Cut it in half. Twist. Take the pit out. No problem. That's my boy. Now he's using the ulu knife. Wow.
So, a little bit more.
Oh, that's the frosting you made. Okay.
Then we can stir this up.
Oh, it's beautiful. That looks beautiful. Wow. Do you want some regular cream cheese to thicken it up? Oh, interesting. The cherry juice made it more liquidy than we thought. No, no more sugar.
Yeah, that's way too. That is really good. That is really sweet. Yeah.
Okay. Oh, okay. You're thickening up the sauce, the filling. With a block of cream cheese. Okay. Okay, so what are you doing now?
I'm putting it in the food processor.
Okay, we're trying to see if we can change the consistency. It's too liquidy right now to use in the cake filling. Okay, Riley's learning how to use it. That part needs, no. Like this, gently. Then turn it. It has to go in that special spot. Okay. See what happens. Keep going.
I definitely did not make it less liquidy. Okay, butter.
Oh dear God, okay. So the butter's been up in the cabinet getting soft, waiting to be used in frosting. So he's trying to use the, what do you think it's gonna do, honey?
I don't know. Hopefully it'll make it thicker.
It's gonna be delicious. Okay, yep, make sure that little thing in the back. Okay. Oh, a little bit thicker. Is it good?
It's it.
Oh, it's good. It's very good. Let's put it back in the bowl and put it in the refrigerator.
Okay.
And then maybe it'll thicken up as it gets cold.
Maybe.
You're doing great, honey. There we go. Yeah. Put it in that bowl. Uh-oh. Oh, maybe do it some more. There's some cream cheese. It's getting a little thicker. Was that cream cheese or butter?
Don't know.
Okay. Well, let's see what happens. This is a mini food processor that we have here. It's a Cuisinart mini food processor. That's right. I'm sure Pampered Chef has one that Riley could use when he goes to college. We'll let you know if that frosting thickens up. And just so you know, Riley doesn't always make just dessert. He's learning how to cut up all sorts of fruit. He's an expert with those cherries, right? He also makes really fantastic Caesar salad. We'll come back and share that with you another time. That's Riley. I am Maria. Thank you so very much for stopping by right now. And don't forget, you can always order Pampered Chef stuff from Wilma and Maria's Luau. I'll attach a link in the notes here somewhere for you guys. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.